E-volunteering, online volunteering, cyber volunteering, virtual volunteering. A network of those in need can connect with those who can support them. E-volunteering connects people around the globe regardless of distance, age, faith or status. Single moms can count on themselves. Women from the Amazonki Association are helping those suffering from breast cancer. E-tutoring is available to everyone, no matter where you live or what time it is. Cyber volunteers have created an e-library of obligatory school reading. Every day thousands of people use the Wikipedia, not even taking into consideration that this free encyclopedia is created by virtual volunteers. These are just a few examples of how we can help each other through the internet. There are more of them and new forms are developing all the time. We can support the idea of e-volunteering and would like to promote good practices of sharing experience and knowledge between the organizations. That's why we announced the European competition Discover e-volunteering. The competition is open to all organizations who cooperate with volunteers through the internet. Prizes are waiting for those with best projects involving e-volunteers. Send your application by July the 31st through www.evolunteering.eu. Organizers of the Discover e-volunteering competition are the Good Network Foundation and Fundacja Orange. Let's show Europe how much good is happening in the net.